Cleaning baseboards is a quick and easy task, and even a little attention can make a big difference. When cleaning your home, you should always do the baseboards last, as they tend to capture the accumulated dust and dirt from cleaning surrounding areas. First, use a hand broom or vacuum brush attachment to remove dust and debris from the surface and bottom of the baseboards. Make sure to get into any tight areas to remove any trapped or tucked away dust, especially the groove between the baseboards and the wall. Next, mix an ounce of simple green all-purpose cleaner with about a cup of water in a spray bottle. Apply the solution to a microfiber cloth and wipe down the baseboard. Be sure to wipe the areas down in sections to avoid streaking. To remove any stubborn scuff marks, scrub with a non-scratch scrubbing pad dampened with your simple green solution. If necessary, use a cotton swab dipped in your cleaner to get into hard-to-reach corners and crevices, and follow up with a cotton swab wet with plain water. Finally, wipe down the entire clean surface with a microfiber cloth dampened with water. Allow each area to air dry. Thanks for watching. Head to simplegreen.com for more info and cleaning tips, and be sure to subscribe to the Simple Green YouTube channel for more how-to videos for keeping your home simple green clean.